Guys, welcome to Shadow's Amazing World. So guys, I think you have seen the last video that I uploaded. I asked you to guys to wish for Shadow. So I'll be going to buy gifts for Shadow's birthday. So me, mommy and daddy and Shadow are going in the car. So Shadow will be selecting his gifts and then we'll be buying some stuffs, playing stuffs for Shadow for his birthday. So I think next week is he's having his grand first birthday party. So I'll be uploading this video before the day of his birthday. So make it sure that you wish Shadow. So I'll show Shadow. Shadow! Shadow, come! Shadow! Look at Shadow! Shadow! He's wearing his body belt. So Shadow, shall we go in the car? So he is with my mommy and daddy. So while going in the car, I'll just continue the videos. Now it's evening, so because it's lockdown, so we can't go for many shops and then buy gifts. So we'll be going to Palavakkam Sanchu Hospital. So if you want to call Sanchu and then check out that link in the description for the number. So let's go in the car with Shadow. So guys, we are ready. So I'll be going to the car. Shadow went before me. The car, so let's go. So now it's time. Actually, it's 10:30. So let's go. My mom's going to the car. So after getting the car, I'll just take the video. So it's so dark, I can't see my face. I'm just keeping my hand like this and I'm showing you guys. So let's get the car and then I'll speak to you. So let's get the car. Guys, I'm going near my car. I'll show Shadow. So mommy is back, coming back. So, oh, Shadow already got into the car. I think so. Look, I already saw Shadow. So Shadow's here. So this is our car. So we'll be getting into a car. So guys, I got into my car. So Shadow is over here. Shadow, come! Hey, jump! Oh my God! Guys, we already got into our car. So Shadow's here. After long back, we are coming. So look, Shadow's enjoying. So we are going to Palavakkam Sanchu. After going, I'll just take video. So because it's so dark over here. So after that, I'll take the video. To the Sanchu Animal Hospital, which is located in the Palavakkam. So Shadow's over here. So let's go. He's so scared. Guys, we finally called Shadow and then came here. So this is a very big hospital. So let's go and buy his gifts. This is the shop in that hospital. So it's nice. So what do you want? So first let's see his toy section. So let's go. Come on. Come on. Here, come here. Here. Shadow. Shadow. Which one you want? Shake it. Shake it. Shadow, shake it. Shadow. Shadow, can you see me? Which one you want? He's not in the mood to buy gifts, so I myself I'm selecting the gifts. Shadow, one last time. Which one you want? Which one? Shadow. One. Shadow. Shadow, which one you want? You yourself take. Which one you want? Which one? Okay, I myself am selecting the gifts. Okay. So guys, I've selected this toy. So some sound will come from here, like this, and then a bow. Where's the bow, mommy? Where's the bow? I've selected this toy and then a body perfume for him. This is usually used for cats and dogs. Body splash, a calendar, this thing. And then I selected this bow for his birthday. On the day of his birthday, I'll wear this. And then a milk bone. I'm in confusion to buy this or this. So I asked Shadow. Shadow first told this, but I'm not sure. So Shadow, again I'll ask. Shadow, shake hand. Shadow, can you see me? Look at me. Shake hand. Which one you want? So guys, if you come to Palavakkam, you can visit this hospital. This is Palavakkam Sanchu. There are treats for him, and then this area, and then there are all supplies, food, perfume, and then all the necessary items that a dog wants, a dog or a cat or a pet, anything. It can be a hamster, all of them. So we already bought this for Shadow, because Shadow is not responding now, because I think he's tired. I myself are choosing these toys. I came here to buy boots, but there's no, yeah, this boots, I think this boots is okay. Okay guys, after going home I'll just continue the video. So guys, we finally bought all the things. So my mom and dad are in the bill counter. So we didn't buy more things, but we bought the necessary body leech, and then some treats, and then playing items for Shadow for this lockdown. And that's his birthday gift. And after going to home, I'll tell you rest story. So Shadow's over there. He's so tired, so he can't able to choose anything. So Shadow's standing over there. So after going to home, after getting into the car, I'll speak to you. So till then, stay tuned. So guys, we will be getting into a car. So I'm here. So let's get into the car. Okay, I'm done. Shadow, come, jump, up, up, boy, jump. Okay, jump. Shadow, come into the car, get into the car, up. Hey, great. Guys, we finally got into our car. I successfully bought Shadow's birthday gift. So stay tuned until I show the birthday gifts. I'll be opening the gifts on Shadow's birthday only, because he itself don't know what and all I bought for him, because today he was very tired, so he didn't select all his gifts. So he's enjoying the car ride. So hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. See you later guys. Until then, bye.